Hello guys, welcome to the first section of the course. In this section, I will teach you the basics of the Python. If you are already familiar with the Python, you can skip the first section and start with next section. In this video, I will teach you how to install Python and PyCharm in your computer. First, go to the python.org downloads, then click download Python 3.11. Now select add python.exe to the path. Then click customize installation, then again click next, then click install to install Python. Since I have already installed Python, I am not going to install Python at this time. Now go to Google, then search here PyCharm. Click download PyCharm. This PyCharm professional version is a paid version, but we can use PyCharm community version for free. So download the community version. Now click next. Select the installation folder. Next, create desktop shortcut. Select admin folder to the path. Click next, then install. Now click finish. Now I am going to open the PyCharm. Now click new project to start a new project. Now you can give any name here. I am giving Python basics. Now select these things and delete them. We do not need them. Okay, now we have successfully installed the PyCharm. In the next video, I will explain the basics of Python.